A Tesla Cybertruck got stuck on a tree while off-roading at Hidden Falls Adventure Park in Texas. It only managed to continue the journey with the help of other off-roaders with a winch. The incident highlights a few weak spots in the Cybertruck's approach to off-roading. It ends up trapped between the tire and the front fender. The truck itself seems unhappy. Later on, a winch was tied to the front passenger tow hook and appears to have pulled literally away from the tree. Even then, something seems wrong with the Tesla, as it needs the winch at least 2 more times to get over seemingly simple obstacles. Even without mechanical issues caused by the tree contact, it simply appears to be too long to get over some of these features. All of this highlights a few things that the Cybertruck could need to be truly capable off-road truck. The software update, including e-lockers for the axles, will be a real improvement. Till then, it'll be interesting to see how many more off-road Cybertruck fails happen.